is about Namaz ba Jamaat. Is there any such principle or any such hadith on the basis of which we can say that if the house is this and this far from the mosque, then the household should come to the mosque of Namaz ba Jamaat?
No, the basic principle of the Holy Quran is La yukallifu Allahu nafsan illa wus'aha. Nobody is burdened with something which is beyond his power or potential to perform. So those houses from where people cannot reach the mosque in time or on time, and which causes unnecessary trouble to them, they are permitted to say their namaz, if possible by Jamaat, in their own homes.